Good morning.
Morning.
For us, any time of the day is a new opportunity. It's a new time to have an opportunity that can change your life and have financial freedom at the end of the day. So, for today, my assignment is to show you an opportunity that can make you earn. So as I can give you a certain figure to make you earn more or less 100,000 Singapore dollar in less than a year. Are you interested?
Yes.
Some of you doesn't look like you're interested. Some of you looks like you just finished your lunch and you feel like sleeping. But it's okay. I hope and I pray that I can get your attention with a wonderful product, life-changing product, and life-changing opportunity. My name is Ed and I'm a doctor by profession. I'm a graduate of medicine, 1998. Back home in the Philippines, I passed our board exam 1999. I have a family medicine background from one of the prestigious hospitals in the Philippines. And for so many years, I've been practicing medicine. And I'm earning a lot. In the Philippines, I'm earning more or less $2,000 per month way back 12 years ago, 11 to 12 years ago. The problem with my lifestyle during that time is that I don't have enough time for myself to create my own family. I don't even have time for myself to go to the gym. So I was looking for an opportunity wherein I can fix my schedule and have financial freedom, meaning to earn so much and to create my own family. During that time, I'm looking for seminars like this. Seminars in terms of time management to fix my schedule. Apparently, unfortunately, during that time, I was able to sit down at one seminar, but it's a different seminar because it was during that time that they were showcasing a certain product with great benefits. And I enjoyed the presentation, I enjoyed the speaker during that time, and the speaker during that time is an American guy. This American guy, 12 years ago, was earning something like 20 million pesos per month. Can you imagine? A speaker in front of you earning 20 million pesos per month. You just convert that in Singapore dollars. And he was the one talking to us 11 to 12 years ago. And I was happy to befriend this guy, and he showed me some secrets in terms of business. And ever since I've learned from this prestigious guy strategies on how to have your own business, I have happened to be successful in my own endeavor. I resigned from my clinics, I did the business part-time, and 6 to 8 months thereafter, I was earning around 10 to 12,000 US dollars per month. 10 to 12,000 US dollars per month doing it part-time, 5 to 6 hours a day. Does it interest you? Is it interesting? On my second business career, applying the same knowledge and techniques, the same knowledge and techniques that I've learned from this American guy from the US, when he used to go to the Philippines every now and then to teach me how to do the business properly. On my second business career, I was earning around 20,000 US dollars per week for 2 consecutive years. I was traveling all the way from China, Singapore, Indonesia, Malaysia, Australia, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, US for business and pleasure. My question right now is, do you also want to earn the same amount? Yes. Do you want to earn the same amount and do you want to travel all over the world?
Yes.
Well, the question is, can you do that with your existing employment status? Of course, it's hard. Okay, first of all, you're probably earning good money, but of course, you're tied up with your employment status. You cannot just leave your job. You cannot just say to your boss, hey, I'm going to Malaysia tomorrow. Or, hey, I'm going to the US for 2 weeks. I'm going to take a vacation. Of course, your boss is going to fire you. So you have certain limitations. Though you're earning so much, you have certain limitations or attachments to your job or to your employment opportunity. What I'm going to show you today, ladies and gentlemen, is an opportunity for you to earn so much. Unlimited income. If you want to earn 100,000, 200,000, or $500,000 Singaporean dollars, you can earn in this business. And the good thing is that you can earn in a short period of time, and the goal is very simple. In a matter of 2 years, the goal is for you to resign with your job. To resign and to do this full-time, to resign and to retire because you keep on earning month after month, week after week, whether you like it or else. Is it great or is it really great? Great. Why is it really great? Back home in our country, in the Philippines, guys, we have created, in a matter of 40 years, this is the history of the company. In a matter of 4 years, we have created 300 millionaires. Millionaires. And most of these millionaires are earning so much every week and every month, whether they like it or else. What do you mean? Even if they're sleeping, they keep on earning. Even if they're on vacation, they keep on earning. Even if they don't want to earn, they don't have any choice. They keep on earning. Do you want to have the same opportunity? Well, the opportunity is a privilege to you guys because you'll be hearing this. You'll be hearing this. You're one of the first few batches who's going to hear about this opportunity here in Singapore. And the great thing about this opportunity, when you hear this opportunity, when you hear this first, as compared to the people who's going to hear this 1 year or 2 years from today, you have the most advantage. We call this the first mover advantage. He who takes part of this opportunity first is far off better position than people moving in this opportunity 6 months from today or a year from today. It's what we call pioneering stages. And in any business, in any opportunity when you mention pioneering, it has a lucrative advantage. It is a saying. Let's just say I'm the owner of Coca-Cola. Let's just say I'm the owner of Coca-Cola, and it's not yet popular in the whole world. And I'm going to approach you, and I'm going to ask you, hey, I have this product. It's called soft drinks, and the brand name is called Coca-Cola, and you'll be the one distributing it throughout the whole Asia. Are you going to be interested or not? Probably 20 years ago, 40 years ago, if I'm going to approach you with the same pitch, you won't be interested. You're going to say,
procrastinating now will cost you later, so take action today. This is what you've been waiting for, so don't hesitate. Act now.